Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the region on your Riot Games account. The process is pretty simple, so let's go ahead and walk through it step by step. First, open up any web browser you prefer and head over to account.riotgames.com. Once the page loads, make sure you log in to your Riot Games account using your correct credentials. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Account Management section. From here, click on Personal Information. This is where you'll be able to see details like your current country or region that's linked to your Riot account. If your region is incorrect or needs to be updated, the next step is to click on Support. This will redirect you to the Riot Games Support Center. Once you're on the support page, scroll down slightly until you find the option related to region transfer. Click on the Transfer Region link and you'll be taken to a new page with more information. Here, Riot will show you the requirements and valid reasons for changing your account region. Carefully read through the details, then fill out all the required information requested in the form. Make sure everything you enter is accurate so your request can be processed successfully. After submitting the request, Riot Support will review your information and update your region if everything checks out. And that's it. That's how you can change your country or region on your Riot Games account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.